What's going on, guys? Moving back over to the front of my 2022 Triumph Trident, and I'm going to be replacing the stock levers with a set of all black Puig levers that I got from Revzilla. Actually, very similar to the ones there on my Thruxton, but this set is going to be all black. So let's check out what we got over here. All right, so in the box, we have got the lever. Take that out. We've got the lever itself right here. So these are the actually adjustable, and these flip up, so you can see the hinge there. These will actually flip up if the bike ever drops. And then of course I have the two connection pieces that make it possible to fit into the bike. So really it's just these four parts. Gonna unbox these, gonna get these installed and make the front look even better with some all black levers to go with the black and white theme that I'm doing on the bike. Let's get started. So I've got the new levers assembled, and I'm not going to do a full step-by-step on this because I've done this before. If you guys want to check my channel, I have one on the Thruxton. Actually, I've done a couple times, but I just kind of want to show you guys a nice before and after. So this is the new lever, and as you can see, it is foldable. It bends up like that, bends down. I put these two pieces together here, and then now I'm going to just remove the old lever, swap this out. You do this by loosening the tensioner here on the clutch cable, pulling that out, and then pulling out the eye of the cable, taking out this nut here. This lever comes out. Same thing on this side. There's just basically a bolt that goes through here, and that is on the bottom, and you pull out this lever and the new one slides back in. So super easy. Let me get these thrown in, and then I'm going to show you guys what they look like when we're all done. Gosh, I wish everything was as easy as a lever install, but that's okay. These look great, all in place now, and as you can see, fully adjustable. And again, they have the flip up in case the bike does decide to dump, which God forbid ever happens, on both sides. So these are their folding version of their levers. Got the brake side in and the clutch side in. So we're going to call this project done. And just for reference, since I have Puigs over here again, this is the original style that doesn't fold up. This is the rigid style, and so over here got the folding style, which you can see folds up and down. So we're going to call the new front levers done, and look at how much better that looks, all black with the black and white theme on the Trident.